Hello viewers, it's James the Trader here again with another exciting video. On this channel we bring to you profitable ways on how to trade effectively. Alright, we bring you strategies that will make you profitable in the long run when trading, whether synthetic indices or crypto trading or forex trading. Every kind of trading you can ever find on the internet, or every kind of markets. In this channel we teach you specific strategies that you can never find on any other channel. All right, so we build bots that can try as much as possible to ensure it overcomes the manipulations in some of these brokers. You know, some of these brokers, they try to make money off you. All right, so we build bots and we teach strategies that will definitely make you profitable, definitely make you skip and escape some of these manipulations in the markets. All right, so today again we are going to bring to you another exciting bot. I've been using it for some time and it has been really profitable. Right, okay, so when I create videos like this, I don't really use my real account because you know you are not concentrating, you are just trying to put up a video. So I should have used my real account because this strategy works well. So but whenever I create videos I use demo. Right, so but try this bot first and foremost on your demo account. If you're satisfied with how it works, you can then go on to using it in your real accounts, first with a small amount, and then you continue to increase your amount when your confidence is much more stronger. All right, okay, so there is no 100% strategy that does not have even one single loss. You can't find that anywhere, but we build bots and teach strategies that will make you sometimes 90-something% profitable. All right, so these bots, you would be able to use it on bot.deriv.com. all right, see the web there, and then so what you do is you come here, load your bot from your computer or your phone, wherever it is saved. So this bot will be in my Telegram channel. All right, the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description box just below this video. All right, so as you watch this video, just don't forget to like this video. All right, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already, and then click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I drop videos like this and I'm sharing free bots. All right, okay, so when you've loaded it up, okay, it comes up like this. Make sure this is derived, this is continuous indices, volatility 100 index, and then everything remains this way. All right, so all you need to come to what you need to touch if you want to, all right, is your stake. All right, you can touch this. You can increase your stake if your capital is large enough. All right, this is the take profit and this is your stop loss. All right, so but if you want to test it out, you can just leave it on the default, but if you want to increase your stakes and your take profit, you can also do that as it pleases you. All right, so let's run this bot. You come here to run the bot. All right, you see Microsoft, you click on run the bot. All right, so let's see if this will be profitable. Let's see, let me take this up. Okay, I'm trying to put it up well so that you can see the entire screen. All right, so the bot is starting. Okay, the bot has started. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so our target profit is 2. Okay, so let's see. This bot is very it can earn you money consistently. Okay, so just make sure you're not greedy. Sometimes you can even target less than depending on your capital. All right, so and depending on your stake. So let's see how this bot goes, and let's see. It has a martingale. Martingale is a multiplier, right? So it has a multiplier of ×3. You can reduce it if you choose to. All right, if you want to reduce it, let me show you how to reduce it. Let me show you how to reduce it. Martingale here, as you can see here, is when it says 2 here, it means 3 times. All right, so if you want to reduce it to 2 times the initial stake, you put 1 here. All right, so but since we have started the bot already, let's leave it as 2. If you want to go back to what is happening, you go click on this, and then you're back here. All right, so you see it, it's quite profitable. All right, sometimes when you have running profitable runs this way, it means the market is very good. But when you begin to see so many reds, try to avoid the market at those times. All right, so let's see how this goes, if we'll be able to hit take profit of 2. Right, let's see how it goes. I don't want this video to be too long. Let's see how it goes. All right, so if you're watching, don't forget to like this video. All right, so you'll be supporting this channel when you like the video. Please, right now, as you watch, like the video, click on the thumbs up, like it. All right, like it. I appreciate. All right, so, and if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? You might miss our subsequent videos. So all you do for me now is just click on subscribe and turn on the notification bell. All right, so that you'll be notified whenever the video drops. You'll be the first to get notified, and then you'll come on, watch it, download the bot, or get the strategy and utilize it as soon as possible. All right, so see winnings all the way. All right, so let's see how it goes. Let's see. All right, so we spend so much time and so much money building these bots, and we are giving it to you for completely free. All right, so join the Telegram channel in the link in the description of this video. All right, so in the description of this video you're watching, you'll see the Telegram link there. You go there to the Telegram channel, and then you click on the bot. You download it into your laptop or your mobile device, and then that's it. You begin to use it for completely free. All right, so let's see how this goes. You see just one loss in a row. Let's see how this goes. All right, so it's so how this works is that we are using volatility 100 index. All right, so it's predicting that the last digit will be above 2. All right, so you see here the last digit was 1. That was why we lost. So also here the last digit was 0. That was why we lost. So after 2 ticks, the last digit is predicted to be above 2. All right, so the market is really good for us tonight. All right, so it's much more digits usually work best night. Just try your hands on it. You can use your demo account, try it at intervals, different times of the day. Know what best fits you. All right, okay, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so let's see how this goes. This strategy is very good. Okay. All right, so if you're still watching and you've not subscribed to the channel, do that right now before you forget. Do that right now. Also like the video, and if you want to share this video, I would really appreciate. All right, give us a thumbs up too. All right, so let's see how it goes. We are close to our take profit. Okay, we are now having 2 losses. So the next one will be 3 point something, I guess, because you are multiplying by 3. Okay, let's see how it goes. So let's see how it goes. We're waiting. Is it network or what? So this bot also analyzes the market. All right, so when you lose one, it analyzes before it takes another trade. All right, so when you lose 2, it does more analysis so that it has a higher probability of being correct in the next run. All right, so there are some analysis we have imputed in the bot so that it will not just be guesswork. All right, so now we are in profit again. We can see the trades. This is not screenshots, these things are live. So if I were trading with my real account, I will be smiling to the banks by now. All right, so if it works well on demo and you are disciplined, you are not greedy, it will definitely work well on your real account. All right, so there's no much difference between your demo account and your real account. The difference is just your emotions. All right, it's the same market. All right, so we are close to our take profit. I don't want this video to be too long. I think 2 or 3 more trades and we'll be done. All right, we are just few cents away from our take profit. The last one, and we will be done. If this wins, we are good to go. I think it will stop me. It will tell me take profit achieved. If that was a loss. Let's see. All right, you see, take profit achieved. All right, so that's $2 right there for you. So if I had staked $1 as my initial stake, I'll be making perhaps $6 by now. Or if I had staked 100, just depending on your capital, the more you have, the more your stake, the more your potential profit or your potential loss. All right, so that will be it for this video. So if you want this bot, it's completely free for now. All right, it's completely free for now. All you need to do is go to the description of this video. There will be, you see our Telegram channel. Go there. In the channel you see the bot for free. All right, so I don't know, it might come to mind for us to begin to take up the bot and stop giving it out for free, because many persons begin to use it and the brokers will begin to notice a certain pattern, and then it becomes less accurate. All right, so what we'll do is we remove it at certain points in time so that people who are using the bot will keep enjoying the bot. So please, if you're watching this video right now, go to the Telegram channel, download it before we take it out. Okay, all right, so that's it. And also subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we create another video, and then like the video. That will be it for today. Bye for now, take care.